After a nearly snowless winter, Mother Nature roared back with a vengeance Wednesday, dropping well over a foot of snow in the Chequamegon Bay area. The storm and strong winds forced the closure of U.S. Highway 2 from Sanborn Avenue to State Highway 13 north. For many, the storm meant shoveling out and getting stuck vehicles moving, but it also meant vehicles in the ditch and other storm-related accidents. Fortunately, no injuries were reported in any of these incidents, and people were able to get moving with a little help from their friends. For some folks, the fresh snow was a great opportunity to take part in winter fun that they've been missing during the winter without any snow.
Oh, we're stuck.
The powerful winter storm caused many businesses to remain closed Wednesday, with any number of area meetings being canceled as well. Many area schools, including Northland College, also canceled classes, and the snow day meant an opportunity to play in the white stuff, enjoying the biggest winter storm to hit the Northland this winter. It was an opportunity too good to waste.
I love snow.
For the Daily Press, I'm Rick Olivo.